Hey everyone, Andrew the Video Guy here, and today we're going to walk through installing mud guards on your Hyundai. Mud guards are a great investment. They keep road salt, mud, road debris, snow from all kicking up onto the side of your car, ruining the paint. It also keeps that from kicking up behind your car onto the cars following you. So it's not only clean, it's courteous. When you order mud guards from HyundaiShop.com, you're going to get the guards themselves, and you are also going to get the mounting hardware that you need, the screws, the clips. It does not come with the screwdriver that you will need. You will need to get your own, preferably right angle screwdriver with either a Phillips or Torx head, again, depending on the kit. I've seen both. And it also does not come with paper installation instructions. But don't worry, it is really easy to do. You can go scan the QR code that is on the box or bag that you receive from HyundaiShop.com and know that it is not just for the current model year Hyundais. We support the accessories for model years dating back for quite a bit. So we are actually going to be installing these on a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. These mud guards are good for the 2017 to 2019 model year. So we're going to get these installed right here. Let's head in and take a look. First, make sure that you're grabbing the correct mud guard for where you are. This is the front mud guard, and on the back it says LH for left hand, so that is going on the left hand side of the car. Always hold it up first just to make sure that it is going to fit where you want to put it, and sure enough, it does. You see 3 holes right here, as well as one right there, and we can confirm right on the car right here, there are already 3 screws right here, as well as 1 more screw in back. So what we would do is, after turning the wheel like this so we have easier access, it's a lot easier in the front, is take those screws out, move this up into place, and remount it using the screws that you got in your mounting hardware bag. They may be a slightly different length depending on the kit that you get, just to make the allowance for the room that the mud guard needs, just to make sure that it goes all the way in and is nice and secure. Sometimes there is also a clip along the bottom here, but with this set, we'll actually see that when we go to the back. So let's check that out too. So in back, we're going to do much the same thing. You hold it up here and realize that it matches up with the 2 screws there, as well as on the bottom, we can feel that there is a clip that needs to come out. So unscrew these. This is where the right angle screwdriver comes in very handy. Put this in place, screw the new screws into there, put the new clip into the bottom, and you're set. Your mud guard is now installed. Do the same on the other side, and then just check that they're all flush. Make sure that you don't have a large gap hanging around. You don't want it to interfere with the tire. You don't want it to come off and create road debris or a hazard to anyone else. And you're done. You have installed mud guards on your vehicle. Now again, I've shown a 2017 Tucson here. The shapes for the mud guards are going to be different with every car. The Sonata in particular kind of confused me until I took a moment and again matched it up with the screws that are inside first before I actually went and did anything. So always remember to look up, just scan your QR code on the package that you got. It's going to be very useful, a very invaluable resource. But this was a video to kind of help you out and show, hey, let's walk through some of this together so that it's a little less nerve-wracking when you do it yourself. So I hope that this was useful, and I hope that you enjoy your new mud guards for years to come. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.